In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Adyen payments on Shopify. This process is all about connecting your Shopify store to a payment provider, so customers can check out smoothly. Before you begin, make sure you are signed in to your Shopify admin. You will be working in the settings area, so keep an eye on the navigation bar and the layout of the admin screen as you follow along. First, click Settings using the gear icon in the bottom left of your Shopify admin portal. This gear icon is the main gateway to all store configuration options. As soon as you click it, the Settings menu should open or expand, showing categories that control different parts of your store. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct place before moving on, because the Payments option lives inside the Settings area, not in the Product or Marketing sections. Next, click Payments. This step takes you directly to the page where Shopify manages payment providers and payment settings. On this screen, you will typically see payment methods and options, including the ability to choose a provider. If you notice the page loads with sections or a list, just look for the area specifically labeled for choosing or installing payment providers. This is where you will connect Adyen. Now, on the Payments page, click Choose a Provider. This is the point where Shopify prompts you to select which provider you want to integrate with your store. You may see a list of available providers. The wording can vary slightly, but the key idea is to select the option that lets you pick a provider rather than relying on a default payment method. Clicking this will open the selection interface for providers that can be installed and connected. After that, click Ownerway. This is the provider selection step mentioned in your instructions. When you click Ownerway, you are telling Shopify that you want to install that provider's integration for payments. Pay attention to the list or modal that appears, because sometimes the selection highlights the provider you chose. If there is a Confirm or Continue style button, just make sure you are selecting the correct provider entry before proceeding. Once you have selected Ownerway, click Install. This is the final integration action in this sequence. Installation may take a short moment while Shopify prepares the payment provider connection. During this time, avoid refreshing the page or navigating away, since installation needs a continuous session. If you see a loading indicator, let it finish. The system may also confirm that the provider is installed successfully. To complete the setup effectively, make sure the page reflects that the provider is installed. Depending on your Shopify interface, you might see the provider listed as active or available within the Payments section. This is your visual cue that the installation step worked. If you do not see a change right away, wait a moment for the page to refresh automatically, and then look again in the Payments area. Finally, review the Payments page to ensure the provider is properly connected for your store. While this video focuses on the steps shown, it is still important to confirm that Shopify now recognizes the provider installation. You want the setup to be in a state where you can continue with any follow-up configuration that Shopify or the payment provider may request next. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.